Carinthia is a strong location for a modern and sustainable economy, situated in a unique natural environment. Companies in Austria's southernmost region are experts in the field of solar thermal energy, biomass, recycling, wood management, hydropower, and plant engineering. In fact, Carinthia already generates 100% of its electricity needs from renewable energy and practices circular economy at its best. This makes Carinthia an ideal location for CO2-neutral production. The vast forests provide abundant raw material for an innovative timber construction industry, while wood processing is well positioned internationally. Agriculture in Carinthia is traditionally sustainable. You can taste it, and this corresponds with the trend towards a health-conscious diet. These strengths combine to create an excellent location with bright prospects for generations to come and an enormous quality of life. Carinthia, where economy and nature work together. Carinthia, it's my life.